Rapid weight loss hacks unveiled. Weight loss can feel like an uphill battle. From strict diets to exhausting exercise routines, many find it hard to achieve their weight loss goals. But what if the answer to rapid weight loss was hidden in simple hacks? In this video, we'll uncover surprising methods to help you shed pounds fast. These hacks are backed by scientific studies, might just be what you need to jumpstart your journey to a healthier, slimmer you. Ready to see what really works? Let's get started. Drink more water, especially before meals. One of the easiest and most effective weight loss hacks is to simply drink more water, especially before meals. Water can increase your metabolism, helping you burn more calories faster throughout the day. It also aids digestion, ensuring your body processes food more efficiently. In fact, studies have shown that drinking 500 milliliters of water about 30 minutes before a meal can increase weight loss by up to 44% over 3 months. This is because water fills your stomach, reducing hunger and making you eat less. Plus, staying hydrated ensures your body functions at its best, aiding in fat burning and helping in flushing out toxins. But water isn't the only secret weapon you have on your journey. But while water is essential, it's not the only thing you need to focus on. Next, let's look at something even tastier. Focus on high-protein meals. Another key to fast weight loss is increasing your protein intake. Protein is one of the most crucial nutrients for weight loss. When you increase your protein intake, it not only helps you build and maintain muscle, but also keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This reduces cravings, prevents overeating, and helps burn more calories even when you're resting. Research shows that high-protein diets can boost metabolism and reduce appetite. In one study, increasing protein intake to 25 to 30% of daily calories helped participants lose an average of 11 pounds in 12 weeks, without actively restricting calories. It also led to a 60% reduction in cravings and late-night snacking. Foods like eggs, chicken, fish, and legumes are excellent sources of protein that can help you feel full and satisfied, while also boosting your metabolism. Speaking of controlling cravings, this next hack will surprise you. Cut down on carbs and processed foods. Cutting down on refined carbs, such as sugar and white bread from your diet, is another key to rapid weight loss. Refined carbs are stripped of fiber and nutrients, causing blood sugar spikes followed by crashes that increase hunger and cravings. These foods are high in empty calories and can lead to weight gain. By reducing your intake, you'll see a quick drop in water weight and eventually fat loss. Several studies have shown that low-carb diets can lead to 2 to 3 times more weight loss than low-fat diets. The immediate reduction in carb intake forces the body to burn stored fat for energy, resulting in faster results. Opt for whole, natural foods like fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains. These foods will nourish your body while helping you shed unwanted pounds. Reducing carbs and processed food is powerful. But let's talk about another hack, a psychological trick that could work wonders. Try intermittent fasting. Another key factor to rapid weight loss is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular weight loss method that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. By reducing the number of meals you consume in a day, intermittent fasting can lead to a significant reduction in calorie intake and promote fat burning. A review of studies found that intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss of 3 to 8% over 3 to 24 weeks, which is comparable to traditional calorie-restrictive diets. It's effective because it gives your body time to burn through fat stores during the fasting period. While intermittent fasting has its benefits, sometimes it's about what you eat. Practice portion control. Portion control is another key to rapid weight loss. It's not always about what you eat, but how much you eat. Portion control is an essential hack to reduce calorie intake without feeling deprived. Eating smaller, frequent meals throughout the day is an essential hack to reduce calorie intake without feeling deprived. Eating smaller, frequent meals throughout the day can help you lose weight quickly. By simply reducing the size of your portions, especially with calorie-dense foods, you can make a big difference in daily calorie count. Research suggests that reducing portion sizes can lead to a reduction in daily calorie intake by as much as 33%. It's a simple change that doesn't require cutting out your entire food groups or drastically altering your diet. Instead of having 3 large meals, try eating 5 or 6 smaller ones. This keeps your metabolism active and prevents overeating. Focus on balanced meals that include proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. But don't think portion control means starving yourself. There's another way. Eat more fiber. Fiber is another secret weapon for rapid weight loss. Foods rich in fiber not only promote feelings of fullness, but also aid digestion and support gut health, both of which are key for losing weight. Fiber-rich foods, such as vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, help slow down the absorption of sugar and fat into your bloodstream, preventing spikes in insulin and fat storage. A study found that increasing daily fiber intake by 14 grams resulted in a 10% reduction in calorie intake and led to weight loss of about 4 pounds over 4 months, without making other dietary changes. Increase your physical activity. Another key to rapid weight loss is physical activity. No weight loss plan is complete without physical activity. You don't have to spend hours in the gym to lose weight quickly. Even small changes like walking more, taking the stairs, or doing short home workouts can make a huge difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity daily to boost your weight loss efforts. You can also engage in resistance training like lifting weights or doing body weight exercises, which help build muscle and increase your metabolism. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn even while resting. Research shows that resistance training can help preserve muscle mass during weight loss, ensuring that the weight you lose is primarily fat. This leads to better long-term results and a more toned appearance. You might be wondering if there's a quicker and simpler way to burn fat. Sleep more and stress less. Another key factor to rapid weight loss is sleep. Did you know that not getting enough sleep can make it harder to lose weight? Sleep and stress might not seem directly related to weight loss, but they play a significant role. Lack of sleep and high stress levels can increase hunger hormones like ghrelin, while decreasing the hormone leptin, which tells your brain when you're full. This leads to overeating, especially comfort foods. On the other hand, a good night's sleep helps regulate your body and promotes fat loss. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to see faster results. A study found that people who slept for fewer than 6 hours a night were 55% more likely to be obese than those who slept for 7 to 9 hours. Stress can also lead to emotional eating, further sabotaging your weight loss efforts. Don't drink your calories. Avoidance of liquid calories is another hack to rapid weight loss. Liquid calories can be one of the biggest roadblocks to weight loss. Drinks like sugary sodas, alcohol, and even some health drinks can sneak hundreds of extra calories into your diet without you even realizing it. These drinks don't fill you up, so they often lead to overeating later on. Studies have shown that just by cutting sugary drinks from your diet, you can lose more weight compared to cutting solid foods. Water, tea, and black coffee are much better options if you're looking to lose weight fast. Even with all these hacks, there's one last hack that can speed things up and make the difference. Stay consistent and be patient. Consistency is key when it comes to rapid weight loss. While all these hacks can help you lose weight fast, the results won't happen overnight. It's important to stay patient and committed to your new habits. The more consistent you are, the quicker you'll see the results you desire. Losing weight rapidly doesn't have to be complicated. By applying these simple, scientifically backed hacks, drinking more water, eating more protein and fiber-rich meals, cutting carbs, and practicing intermittent fasting, you can start seeing results faster than you thought possible. Don't forget to include resistance training and manage your stress for maximum effect. While these hacks may help you drop pounds fast, it's essential to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional to make sure you're losing weight in a safe, healthy way. Remember, consistency is the key, so stick with what works best for you. But let's be honest, who wouldn't want to lose weight faster? There's really no one. There you have it, rapid weight loss hacks. But what do you think about these hacks? Is rapid weight loss truly sustainable or healthy in the long run? What's stopping you from starting today? Do you think this will work for you? Have you ever tried any of these hacks before? Let's know your thoughts in the comments section. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching.